Hello everyone, myself Jinsia, Assistant Professor of CSE Department from Nanda College of Technology. In this video, we are going to see about what is malicious attacks, their categories and its types. First, we are going to see about malicious attacks. Any attack on a computer system or network assets succeeds by exploiting a vulnerability in the system is referred to as a malicious attacks. For example, stealing of information from a computer system, corrupting the systems, and unauthorized access. These are some examples of malicious attacks. Next, we are going to see about the four categories of malicious attacks. First one is fabrications, interceptions, interruptions, and modifications. Fabrications. The process of tricking the users by the creation of deception is referred to as a fabrications. The next one is interruptions. It involves spying on the transmission of data and redirecting the users for unauthorized use is referred to as interceptions. The next one is interruptions. Interruptions are referred to as breaking the communication channel in order to block the transmissions of data. The last one is modifications. It is referred to as the alteration of data contained in transmission or files. Next, we are going to say about some common types of malicious attacks. There are 13 common types of malicious attacks: birthday attacks, brute force password attack, dictionary password attack, IP address spoofing, hijacking, replay attacks, man in the middle attack, masquerading, eavesdropping, social engineering, phishing, phreaking, and forming. The first one is a birthday attack. It is a common type of a cryptographic attack. It involves when two different inputs produce the same hash value. When two input produces the same hash value, there is the probability of occurring of collisions. So if a collision occurs, there is a possibility of vulnerability. So the attackers use this chance to get into the system. The next one is brute force password attack. Here the attacker tries every possible combination of the password until the correct one is found. A try and gain method. The third one is dictionary password attack. Here the attacker uses a pre-compiled list of common passwords or dictionary words in order to guess the password. He knows some common possibility of passwords. Next, IP address spoofing. Here, the attacker sends a package with fake sender IP address in order to deceive the receiver by showing that he is a original sender. Next, hijacking. Hijacking refers to the unauthorized control over a user session or communication channel in order to steal information or to perform malicious actions. Next one is a replay attack. Here the attacker intercepts and reuses the valid data transmission in order to gain unauthorized access over our system. The next one is man in the middle attack. Here the attacker secretly intercepts and potentially alters communication between two parties. Suppose if a message is sent by user A to user B, the man in the middle secretly observes the communication and alters the data without the knowledge of the user A. The next one is masquerading. Here an attacker pretends to be a trusted user to gain unauthorized access. He fools the user by showing he is a trusted user. Next one is eavesdropping, that is spying. Uh, it is the process of secretly listening to private conversations or data transmissions in order to steal sensitive information. These are accomplished by using of spywares. The next one is social engineering. Um, it is the process of manipulating people into revealing confidential information by exploiting trust. For example, A fake user pretends that he is working in some organization or institution and uses the trust of the employee. The next one is phishing. It is the most common type of malicious attacks happening nowadays. Fraudulent mails and messages tricks users into providing sensitive data like passwords. Next one is phreaking. Hacking through telephone system is referred to as phreaking in order to make free calls or manipulate networks. The next one is farming. It is the process of redirecting users from legitimate websites to fake ones in order to steal login credentials. Thank you.